By shape?
Bamboo?
No, not bamboo. I will show. Not bamboo. No, this is the insulin plant. It will be helpful to control the sugar.
Oh, is it?
Yes.
Stevia.
Not stevia. Stevia is good.
Stevia చిన్నగా ఉంటుంది కదా మింక్ లాగా ఉంటుంది.
You know what is this plant?
Uncle, when are we going to eat?
Hi everyone. You come here. Listen.
You can have the trees
I think it is very boring for you, but I want to tell that there are different types of trees.
Yeah, please explain them.
You know what is this? You tell me what is the name of this tree? This is multivitamin. We can use this similar to curry leaves. It is very good for health.
Can I eat it right now?
Yes. Sorry. We have different types of tulsi also here.
Can I eat it?
It's not a I think for them it's boring subject.
No, I like it.
This is also parasitic plant. I will show this similar plant without any plants near to. It is almost ready to die. It is able to survive because surrounding it has the trees. That is the difference. It is not growing on another tree, but it will fetch the food from the roots of the
It's
other
already
tree.
dead.
Well, this is not dead. This is healthy.
Healthy. It's healthy. It will fetch the food from the through roots.
Them okay కానీ కొమ్ములు
It is not.
Okay, we can't claim.
No, this is not a strong.
Arey, do it on the mango tree. Don't break
What it is?
Then you have to pay for this
I-
tree only.
Everyone, what it is? Can you see on the ground what it is?
Grass.
No, not. What is this mud? Arey, Mitti, what is
What
this?
color soil is it?
What is this?
Brown soil.
This is not the soil. Dried cow dung. Okay?
Dried
So-
cow dung?
Yeah, dried cow dung. So we will use it as a composted
Soil. Why did you rub
not soil, cow dung. We will use this as a manure for the trees.
Animals are there here?
Yes, I will tell.
Where?
So if you
I already saw it.
Tigers and lions roaming there.
yeah. And one more thing, soil type. If you see that there,
Cats are there here.
this soil is.
Dogs are there.
What is it?
Look, this soil is little contains more stones and
Arey,
everything.
Bura, there's no chittapuli.
Hi everyone,
Chittapuli is
come
leopard.
here.
There's no leopard.
For tree required soil, right? There are different types of soils are there. In our farm we have 2 to 3 types. Here is more with stones and it's very hard soil. In the downstream we will have a very sandy soil. I will show that one also. Okay? Did you observe what is this type of soil? No, don't go that too near to electrical.
Oh, what? Is that a well?
Yes, those are white. Don't go that side. Come
Arey,
here.
Chandana, jaragu.
Okay, you have any questions here? Shall we move?
You have any questions, guys?
One question. Can I climb the mango tree?
Yeah, I will. We
Not
have
step
lot
on the
of
ash.
we have a lot of mango trees in the entrance.
Start climbing. Good boy.
You come to that side.
Can we eat this?
Yeah, you can
Yeah,
eat.
you can eat. Nothing.
Even
I know you are very hungry.
Have you smell it?
Come, mister. Can we eat this?
Yes, no problem.
No. Waiting.
Quran, give her the guava. Please, wait. Quran. Oh, baby, give her the guava.
Malak paste. Malak paste. Eating. ముద్దుడు paste.
శ్రీనివాస్ ఎక్కడ జాంకాయలు ఉంటే చూపించు నాలుగు
అక్కడే ఉన్నాయి కదా
ఇక్కడ ఉంటాయి శ్రీనివాస్ ఉన్నాయా పైన ఉన్నాయా అదే అదే అలా పైన ఈ కమ్ హియర్ కమ్ హియర్
I know where I'll go. I have
I didn't feel it.
only for
Yeah, don't cut it one by one. I will allow you to
Check with uncle before you pluck it.
stay here. Stay here. You come along.
Uncle, who gave watch this stick? Who gave him the stick? He's already killing plants with his legs only. Now he's killing them with this stick also.
Yeah, one by one. One by one. Stay here. Please stay here. All day. One by one. Stand in a line. Please stand in a line. Form a line, please. Yeah. One by one.
Can we go
Form a
back?
line. First here, Achit, come here.
Actually, you have to
Everyone, form the line, please. Come here. No, come. Okay, then. Yeah,
This is the one I was holding.
which one you want?
This one. I want the one over there.
Yeah,
Holding
just
this one.
you pluck it. Yeah, which one you want?
There.
Srinivas, I will take.
Na kochu.
Yeah, okay, you can take. Next. Yeah, you take it.
Can we
Which
go
one you
back
want?
to our picnic?
Which one you want?
This.
This one?
Hey,
Yeah,
I'm taking now.
take it. Yeah, you take. Yeah, you take it from there.
You can start eating.
Yes, those who got it. No problem. Yeah, you can go.
अंदर जा बनाते हैं अंदर आने गजरा है देख
No, this is very good. It's
Hold this.
parrot has eaten that you were
eaten
holding
very,
I will
very
eat it.
tasty one.
If parrot has
Okay,
eaten
no
no
problem. You take. Srinivas,
Rather you know if a tota eats it no tota selectively selects one jam
Srinivas, ఇది ఈ అబ్బాయి కూడా చూపించి ఇద్దరికి ఒక కాయ చూపించు. Yeah, go to.
I found one.
You pluck it. One by one.
We have to wash it. Do we have to wash it?
No need.
There's a lot down here. Yeah.
Okay. So we'll stand there so that we'll have some
One
shade.
second, let me see. Can we go back to our picnic spot?
Yeah, we will go. We have another 15 to 20 minutes.
Arey, who wants to sit on a bench?
now you guys are not hungry.
Yeah, come here. We will sit there.
Stay together guys come
On a whole day.
Please don't stay there. You come here. Come with
come
me.
here
Because some snakes and other animals.
कहाँ आता
आता कभी भी आ सकते हैं. But if you all together, then they will not come.
we are going in their property
Is this mother of thousands?
I didn't get you.
Mother of thousands.
That is a type of tree? Yeah. I don't know. I don't know. Maybe you know better than me. What is that? This you know what is this plant name? This is Ranaphala, which will be very helpful for digestion and kidneys and stones in kidneys. And also, if you have a knee or
joint pain
not joint, rheumatoid arthritis. Rheumatoid arthritis. If you apply oil on that one, and if you make it warm, and if you apply on the knee or wherever you have pain, it will not control, but it will get relief.
Now I'm gonna beat you up.
It will not control 100%. You will get a relief.
so you have to process it
Not process. Just you have to take a leaf,
put in the warm water
apply the coconut oil, and just put on the fire.
on the fire
And fire. It should get warm. Then you need to apply on the and wherever you have a pain from this.
Can we go and see the mango trees?
Sorry?
Can we go see the mango trees?
Can we just go run around the whole farm?
Yeah, after that. First, and you can use drumsticks also. You can eat it. Okay?
Can I hold it?
No, it's not for you.
I'm gonna break into pieces. Okay, this is like a party.
A cute sitafal.
This is
Hello, banana.
no. Alanerad. This is nerad.
this is what
And jamun, kala jamun.
oh kalam
Kala jamun? Hey, kala jamun is here. Kala jamun is not.
This is regi pallu. Recently completed the season. I didn't remember.
Kala jamun, where is kala jamun?
Regupal is going around.
Yeah, this one. You can observe.
బాగున్నాయి ఎండిపోయింది
They're happy now.
That is a clove. Clove, right?
No,
Clove,
no, it's kind of.
Black pepper?
No. It's a fruit. It's,
No.
hey, don't.
It's 12.
Uncle, it's a lunch.
12 or 9. The why is it?
I planted one of them.
Yeah.
I planted two of them.
I take 1 o'clock. Same. And same for Chinese.
I also did four.
4. My mom eats lunch at 5. She doesn't even eat kids.
You know this? What is this tree?
Papaya tikka. Tofu
You can identify this fruit. What is this tree?
Sitafal. Banana.
Not Sitafal. Banana. You don't know the banana.
Mango.
This is
Sapota?
Ramafal.
Samafala.
Like Sitafal.
We had Lakshman Fal also, but somehow it died.
Who died?
Shade. Why are you standing in the sun?
Lakshman.
So someone is telling that banana tree. Where is the banana tree here?
There.
Then why you are calling that as a banana?
No, I didn't. ఇక్కడ కొబ్బరికాయ చికెన్ కొబ్బరికాయ చికెన్ అంతా కొబ్బరికాయ చికెన్
This is banana.
Oh, uncle, can you pluck some banana leaves to eat that food on?
Yes, I will give.
We are eating fast food on banana leaves. Banana leaves.
Come. Move with your fruit. What is it?
You like to eat in banana leaf?
Yeah, we are eating our lunch on banana leaves. Black leaf.
This is what is it? Creeper or
Some
don't
kind of creeper only.
creeper? Don't go on that one. Don't go that one.
This new
No. You remove.
a plant. Uncle, din pera Battalaku. Battalaku.
Don't go.
No. Name is
Right. You are Achit. Your name is Achit, right? Correct. This is Bachalu. What is it?
Battalaku.
Indian Bachalu. Bachalu.
Achit.
I know you know.
Can we go to the
Okay. Come, we are done. We have reached the end.
Yeah. We almost.
My dad used to like
Come here.
squish these seeds and then put it in the pen to use as ink.
The pink. Guys.
Come.
Uncle,
Yeah.
what's this?
That is sorrel leaves.
Sorrel.
Sorrel, gongora.
My favorite.
So few more minutes we will conclude. We have only what is that? Coconut and bamboo. Yes. Fruit. These seeds will be used as for a coloring agent in food items also. It gives red color or orange color.
This is summer camp. I don't think so Burhan was there. But I found it. You for red color, no natural color. He threw it.
These are all natural colors. What is? Just
You're a Buddha.
yes, I will give. If you
Krishna is a Buddha.
apply some water, it will get right.
Oh, here.
So this is a real, real natural color.
Natural color.
Can be used in food items. There is no.
Okay, sweet.
Even I am Buddha.
And then you see,
Have you seen?
natural color.
We bought this, guys.
Uncle, every single plant, Uncle, every single plant can connect to everything, every single plant in the farm, right?
It may be or may not be depending on the type of tree.
Yes.
Some
Like
trees.
all the mango trees connect to each other.
If anybody wants, take one seed
Yeah,
And
and
do what?
drop,
can take
put a drop of water. When you go to eat, you rub your hands will become orange.
Take one seed, everyone.
You want to know? You want to eat, you're hungry?
No, when we eat, then will our food become orange?
Yes.
I was so hungry, I put 3 guavas in my pocket.
If you put food in your pocket, if your hunger goes away, it's
Where is the
fantastic.
coconut tree?
There! Everybody,
Only three.
Hey, okay.
Only 3 people can told where is that. So what about the rest? You don't know?
Come, let's go, guys.
Let's move.
Let's eat.
Come here. Where is the bamboo? Yeah, this is bamboo tree.
Yeah, there.
So these are the few flower trees.
Who's next
Hey,
after
wait,
that?
wait.
Don't step on the plants.
Start.
Watch your.
I'm last.
Very good.
I said I'm not first.
No, after last shot, Christian.
You can come back.
Then me.
Rishiv, go. Rishiv, need turn.
Now your turn.
That's it. That's it.
I'll do my. You can go before.
Yeah, from here. Yes. You put both hands.
After Christian is done.
Don't go that side.
Christian is after.
Next, come back. Rishiv, come back side.
You go that. Yes,
Come this side.
you go that side.
If you're done, come this side.
Come this side.
That's drawn my back.
Okay.
Yes.
Ritik should draw.
Draw achha to that.
Draw a straight line. Okay.
Come back then. Next, Burhan, come. Come back.
I think he was forcing my butt.
This cutie plant, huh?
Both hands.
Hey, it's a plant.
అరే ఇక్కడ ఉండమని చెప్తే మళ్ళీ అందుకు అక్కడ ఎందుకు కమ్ హియర్ సారీ
We never listen.
కమ్ హియర్ స్టే హియర్ స్టే హియర్ దక్ష్ కమ్ ఆన్ పురాన్ కమ్ బ్యాక్ సైడ్
Oh, that's too much water.
How many of you left?
నలుగురు ఐదుగురు ఉన్నారు
Wait, on my back.
రిత్విక్ ప్లీజ్ స్టెప్ బ్యాక్
Very good. Look, with both hands.
బోత్ హ్యాండ్స్
It's not a drawing a line on a paper.
వెరీ గుడ్
No, like draw something like
Nice.
draw your
Next.
entire face with everything.
Are you draw it?
Papa,
You draw me. You draw me.
ಸಿರ್ಫ್ ಪಾತ ಚಡಿಗಳು ನಶಿಪಿಕರ ಕಣ್ಣಾಗ ಕುಚ್ಚಿ ಆಮೇಲೆ ಕೂಡ ಬರ್ತಾರೆ ರಿತ್ವಿಕ್ ಮೇಲೆ
There won't be enough space.
draw so much.
Okay, no
It's
problem.
satisfying. I'll ask my dad to do. Papa,
Come. ಚಂದನ ಕಮ್ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್
On my back. Ritik, there's no space. Are you doing it?
We will find for you.
ಡೋಂಟ್ ವರಿ ದೇರ್ ಇಸ್ ಇನಫ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಇನ್ ದಿಸ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್
Special place.
Yeah. Stand.
ಕಮ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ಗೆಟ್ ಇನ್ ಟು ದ ಸ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಗೆಟ್ ಇನ್ ಟು ದ ಡರ್ಟ್
Just want to get us. Nothing will happened, Ray? This got it.
Okay.
It's so hard for me.
Yeah,
Koi
you
no
can
wallet
continue.
for you.
Take you finish it off.
Done.
No problem.
That's.
Start over from that side,
And
Ritvik.
there.
Start over from that
Take
side.
a letter B.
Ritvik, come here.
Or blue.
Can we make a letter B and then plant all around it?
No,
What? Can we make a
it
letter
has to
B
be
and
done in
then
straight
plant?
line so they can harvest it
Not a,
properly.
what is it? Look like it's a farming. We should not do such things. It is for parks and artificial things. We do like this. Right? Otherwise, it's a waste of time and money.
You know, guys,
Charles.
on helipads they put a net. Where is my line? So, no other
Get inside, Vishwat.
With both hands.
Get inside. Both hands.
symbolizes helicopter.
Ah. Only using
Helicopter.
Move your feet, go back. Step back, guys.
Slowly, slowly, yes.
Porama. Sangranga. Kotaranga.
Chandagi, we can go and wash your face. It's okay. It's after you're done, we'll wash, okay? Okay, done, done. Done, Ritvik.
Go with this.
You're stepping on the same plants that have just been laid.
Sida say, so later we need to put the manure. Cow dung.
It's fine.
Kaudanga.
Keshav, move closer this side. Both of you.
Yes, okay, na? So you have to level it.
All of us will get what you want.
Then you need to make the lines.
I will.
Okay?
You can say, but it won't happen in reality.
ఇట్లా చేసేయండి లైన్స్ అందరికి ఒక లైన్ ఇచ్చేద్దాం.
Then you have to
I'll
make
make
8
my
lines.
line. I'll make my line.
Yeah.
Yeah, exactly.
8 lines.
Everyone gets one line.
సరే 9 of you.
మధు మధ్యలో ఆపి మళ్ళీ పెట్టు.
You plan.
Come here.
Good thing nothing happened.
Come outside and wait there. I'll call everybody. We'll take a group photo after you're done, okay?
But why are you
Next two
supposed to
is-
do that in the
next.
starting?
I'm doing my line.
Yeah, it's not like that.
Please.
You have to
Yeah,
do.
yeah. So who
You
will-
have to do in line.
Like-
Otherwise you won't get.
Otherwise you will forget. So anyone can come here.
Daksh,
You come
come.
here.
No.
Ritvik, come. Ritvik, you're done.
Okay, then you have to do it at the last.
Give the seats back to uncle.
I want to do it after Chandana.
Chandana,
Here you come.
No, I'm doing it.
Chandana, you are here.
After Chandana.
don't step on the plants, okay?
No, I'm doing it after Chandana.
Don't step on that stand. You're stepping on the plants. Come back.
You know how to put it?
Chandana, I'm doing after you.
You stand.
Okay, good.
Kapurte Papu every day after you go home, right?
Boys, you come back here once. All of you come back here.
Coming.
Whoever is completed, move to that side.
हाँ.
Dada, you come here.
എടുത്തിരിക്കേനെ
You come here.
నాకు ఆడి తట్టువా
Your good name?
After Chandana.
Really, you come here. This side.
So many.
Here you come.
You
You put here.
నా టైం అప్పుడు నేను
Like that. Very good. You pour till the end. Yes, very good. Okay. You come.
Uncle, not the cassette.
Yeah, no problem. I will dig
I
it.
wanna do
You
Come here.
You come here.
That's it.
That's it. You completed? No, you just move this side. Yeah, from here. You put right. You pour it from here. Yes, very good. Okay? Shall I continue? Or you want? Yeah, from here. Not like that. You have to step here. You step here. Yes, then bend. Yes. Okay? Good, very nice.
Stay there for a second. Just stay there for a second. They'll finish now.
It's mine.
Yes.
అంతా అయిపోయింది సీడ్స్ తీసుకో అదంతా అయిపోయింది
Uncle, na దానిపైన
ఏం కాదు
Done, done.
చేస్తే లూజ్ చేయడానికి అంత
Then here.
all these plants.
Put your leg there.
By doing
From
this?
that. Yes.
they make sound effects like this, right? Can you do it?
కొత్తిమీర అంతా
Very simple. Battery లేదు అయిపోయింది.
Why I'm already away.
Yeah.
Then wake up, man.
How was the trip?
Very good.
How was the food?
Very good.
So, do you have any questions and you need
Yeah,
any?
is that land also yours?
No, it's not ours. Till that border, it is ours. From that, others.
Couldn't you see the gate is at one corner?
Yes, of course, gatewood should be at the corner.
Even in my farm, the gate is at the corner.
So, how was your trip?
Very good. Very nice.
Did you have fun?
Yeah, really.
Any questions for uncle?
Wait, who's it?
That is Ramana Maharshi. We
Why
follow
do you give
Ramana. Yeah, we follow him. That's why we catch him. Okay. So, would you like to come again?
Yeah.
No.
After the throw.
Oh, yeah, of course, I will send the photos of that one later. If possible, I will send those leaves if possible because I don't know how far it is from my house.
प्रशांति नगर को भिजा दो.
Yeah, I'll भेजा देंगे. Okay. So,
It's Blue Block School.
yeah, but it is not near to my place.
Yeah,
Right?
uncle stays at near Amirpet.
Oh, that's pretty fun.
Amiripeta.
To my
So,
office.
what kind of trees you find and what is the information you gather? I mean, you came to know about trees.
That KS Natural Farms is 2.5 acres.
Yeah, very good. About trees?
That every single tree have a different kind of trees, different kind of leaves,
Yes.
and
Different lifetimes.
different lifetimes, different
Different
that
way
can
of
have different
different
time
the layers, canopies and
Yes.
canopies.
Is it helpful for you?
Yeah.
Good, very nice. So, another question, have you ever visited any other farms?
Yeah. My own farm.
Blue Blocks farm.
Sorry?
Blue Blocks farm. My farm.
My farm.
My two farms.
Where it is?
My smallest teeny farm. Where is your farm?
Hey, garlic.
So it's not a garlic, it's a,
It smells like garlic.
it might be onion.
It smells like garlic.
Yeah, it is onion. Garlic would be
It
another
actually smells like onion.
might be.
White onion.
So, any other questions? So then we,
Soviet onion.
yeah. So can we conclude?
Yeah.
So thanks for your visit and
You're
welcome.
You're welcome.
yeah, I hope you enjoyed. So if you would like to wish to come again, so let me know in advance. We will make arrangements like this. Okay, you can play here.
Okay, 3 cheers to uncle, auntie, and
Three
your
cheers
new
to
friends
KS
that you
Farms.
have. 3 cheers to KS Farms, okay? Hip hip,
Hooray!
hip hip,
Hooray!
hip hip.
Hooray!
Can you all stand up and say thank you to uncle? We'll take a photo of you.
Thank you, Uncle. Thank you.
Thank you. Also, I will post this information on YouTube video. You can watch. Okay. So all our trip, whatever.
What's the channel?
KS Natural Farms.
Okay? మీరు కూడా వస్తాను. Okay, all of you stand next to uncle. Together face me now.
You can join.
Well, let me just
First please.
Come from the good.
let me wear my shoes.
రండి మీరు కూడా రండి.
వాళ్ళు తర్వాత ఉంటారులేండి ఫస్ట్ తీసుకుంటారు.
బ్యాగ్ వద్దు, ఎందుకు బ్యాగ్?
కృష్ణ మీరు కూడా తీయండి అంటే
చేసిన తర్వాత నేను మళ్ళీ.
There's no space here.